For our next lesson, we have logarithmic functions. So the learner define logarithmic function, evaluate logarithms, and solve for the values of n in logarithm. So logarithmic functions are the inverses of exponential functions, and any exponential function can be expressed in logarithmic form. Similarly, all logarithmic functions can be rewritten in exponential form. So if b is any number such that b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1 and x is greater than 0, then y equals to logarithm of x with the base of b is equivalent to b raised to y is equals to x. So we usually read this as logarithm base b of x. In this definition, y equals to logarithm of x with the base of b is called the logarithmic form or logarithm form, and b raised to y equals x is the exponential form. So we have here samples. Rewrite each exponential equation in its equivalent logarithmic form. So ito yung ating mga exponential equation or form. Okay? So b squared is equals to 25. So here the solution, ito yung the base remains the base. Ito yun. Okay? So yung exponent, ito lang yung nandito. Okay? 2 equals to, we have this logarithm, and then yung pinaka-answer yung nandito, 25, and then base ito rin. Okay? Ganyan yung pagkakasulat. Okay, then 4 raised to negative 3 is equals to 1 over 64. Okay. So, ilalagay natin dito yung pinaka-exponent. So, negative 3. Pwede rin kasing baliktad yan. Okay? Andito yung equal sa kabila. Okay? Basta ito yung pagkakasunod-sunod or format. Negative 3. And then, we have here logarithm. And then, here is the base. Ito yon. Okay, then yung pinaka-answer is nandito. Okay? Pag naka-fraction, lagyan ng parenthesis. Okay, next we have 1 half raised to negative 4 is equals to 16. Okay, so yung negative 4 na exponent, ito yon. Okay, and the logarithm of, we have the base as 1 half. Ito yung base natin. And the pinaka-answer is nandito lang. Nag-interchange lang naman yung, yung position, kung mapapansin niyo. Okay? So next, okay, so as suggested above, let's convert this to exponential form. Okay? So equals what? So this the logarithm of we have here 16 with the base of 4 is what? So tinatanong dito ano exponent? Bakit siya naging 16? Diba? So yung 4, pag multiply mo yan by itself, okay, so the answer is 16. So ano yung pinaka-exponent? We have 2. Diba? Kasi 4 times 4 is equals to 16. So we must have the following value of the logarithm. We have logarithm of 16 with the base of 4 is equals to 2. Okay? Next is, this one is similar to the previous part. So let's first convert to exponential form. Convert muna natin kasi may unknown or missing. Okay? So logarithm of 16 with the base of 2. So paano magiging 16? Saan i-multiply? Ilang beses i-multiply yung 2 para maging 16. So, yun yung pinaka magiging exponent. Ilang beses. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 ulit is 8. Times 2 ulit is 16. So, nakailang times 2 kayo? Bali, 4. Okay, so 4 yung pinaka exponent. So, from this equation, logarithmic equation, okay, so gagawin natin siya na pag naman ginawa natin siyang exponential form, 2 raised to 4 is equals to 16. Okay? Next. So, logarithm of 216 with a base of 6. So, ilang beses yung multiply yung 6 para maging 216. So, 6 times 6 is 36. Dalawa na yun. 36 times 6 is 216. So, bali 3. Okay? So, we have here logarithm of 216 with the base of 6 is 3. Okay, next, 1/3. So, logarithm of 81 with a base of 1/3. So, saang exponent natin? Ano exponent ng 1/3 para maging 81? Ilang beses multiply yung 1/3. So, kung makikita natin sa process na ito, so, the answer will be Ayan. So, 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3 is, di ba, 1 over 81. So, since 81 yung sagot, magiging negative naman yung ating exponent dito, no? Okay? So, yan. Okay, next. Kaya siya naging negative 4. Okay, then we have here logarithm of 27 over 8 with a base of 3 over 2. Okay, so yung 3 over 2, ito yon. Niraise natin sa 3. Pareho, yung numerator and denominator. Kaya siya naging 27 over 8. Okay? Sometimes trial and error, manghuhula ka kung ilang beses mo multiply yung numbers para makuha mo yung pinaka-sagot. Okay? So we have here, when we are given the base 2, for example, and exponent 3, then we can evaluate 2 raised to 3 as 8, because 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 ulit is 8. So inversely, if you are given the base 2 and its power 8, so 2 raised to what? Okay, equals to 8. Then what is the exponent that will produce 8? So that exponent is called a logarithm. So we call the exponent 3 as the logarithm of 8 with a base of 2. So we write here, ito again yung exponent equals to logarithm, and then yung base na dito, okay, then ito yung pinaka-answer. Okay, so the base 2 is written as a subscript. So 3 is the exponent to which 2 must be raised to produce 8. So a logarithm is an exponent. So, since we have here another example, 10 raised to 4 is equals to 10,000. Pag sinulat sa logarithmic form, is logarithm of 10,000 with the base of 10 is equals to 4. Okay. Next is, ito yun. Okay. The base with that exponent produces x. Another example. So, write in exponential form. So, again, logarithm of 32 with the base of 2 is equals to 5. Ito yung base sa 2. Ito yun. Okay? And then 5, 2 raised to 5 exponent is equals to 32. Okay? Next, write in logarithmic form. 4 raised to negative 2 is equals to 1 over 16. Ang base natin is 4. Ito yung magiging subscript. So, logarithm of pinakasagot, 1 over 16 with a base of 4 is equals to negative 2. Basta laging nandito, after na equal sign, yung exponent para hindi kayo nalilito. Yung base pa rin siya, magiging subscript lang. Number 3, evaluate logarithm of 1 with a base of 8. Okay? So, paano magiging 1? Yung 8. An exponent niya. So, we all know that 0 as exponent will produce number as 1. So, 8 raised to 0 is equals to 1. Okay? Next. Example number 4, evaluate logarithm of 5 with a base of 5. Okay? So, yung 5, an exponent niya, parang maging 5 siya, parang ganon. So, we know that's 1. So, 5 raised to 1 is equals to 5. So, pag sinulat mo siya ng logarithm, is logarithm of 5, ito yung pinakasagot, with a base of 5 din, is equals to 1. So, in any base, the logarithm of the base itself is 1. Okay?